essential to? Who are you essential to? Get back, get out of my
Go on the sidewalk.
U.S. law enforcement seems to be taking aim at the media amid protests against police violence, which began after the death of African-American George Floyd at the hands of police. On top of accusations of racial discrimination, law enforcement is now facing criticism for shooting the messenger.
I'm pressed. I don't care. Get down. I am pressed.
The U.S. Press Freedom Tracker is a watchdog group following press freedom incidents in the country. It's documented nearly 250 incidents since May 26th. That includes 146 reported assaults on members of the press by police and 43 arrests or detainments. The American Civil Liberties Union's lawsuit cites numerous well-documented instances of deliberate abuse against journalists. One of the most prominent cases is CNN correspondent Omar Jimenez, who was arrested with his crew by Minnesota police live on air.
You are arresting him live on CNN. We told you before that we are with CNN.
But scrutiny of American law enforcement extends beyond U.S. borders. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison called for an investigation following an incident involving one of the country's news stations.
Press. And now you see what's going on now. Now there's just a lot of violence erupting.
A police officer struck a Channel 7 camera operator, and the event was broadcast live. U.S. Ambassador to Australia, Arthur B. Culverhouse Jr., issued a statement in response. He said, "Both countries take the mistreatment of journalists seriously, and the U.S. remains steadfast in protecting journalists." But with a surge in reports, how seriously American law enforcement is taking press freedoms is coming into question. Timothy Ulrich, CGTN.